Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ECEEN, share the fan device. It is a 20 watts foldable solar panel charger. That's awesome, because we can have an electrical support by the sunlight. Wow. It's a solar charger with 20 watt power, a portable solar panel charger with 2 USB output ports. It's waterproof foldable camping phone SunPower charger for tablets, GPS, iPhone, iPad, camera and USB devices. High efficiency. 3 SunPower solar panel cells that allows them to reach 21 up to 24% of conversion efficiency while providing enough power, up to 2 ampere maximum per port or 3 ampere maximum overall. And it's smart dual USB outputs. The dual USB ports output built-in smart IC detects the electronic device plugged into the USB port for fast charging 2 phones simultaneously under safe conditions. Yeah, as well as the prevention of overheating. The 6.3 to 11.1 to 1.06 inches when folded, small size, and the 17.3 ounce design that can easily squeeze in our backpack offers portability and simplicity. And the attachment hook makes it ideal for connecting to a backpack while we are on the hiking or walking. Its durable design, the canvas surface and the present stitching withstands rugged for outdoor use, and the PET polymer cover that guarantees IPX4 waterproof level protection will make the panels resistant to water and even dust. We have the panel, the micro USB cable, carabiners, and that's enough to have energy out of the sun. It's the perfect companion for adventures, which is suitable for trekking, camping, hiking, climbing, picnics, fishing, boat, or in outdoor activities. When we go outdoors, the ECEEN triple panel solar charger will be ready for us. A built-in net pocket with nice zipper keeps our device safe and clean. 21.5 up to 23.5% solar efficiency. That's good. And ultra lightweight, 18 ounce, and ultra compact. When folded, it's really compact. It has the same size and thickness as a magazine. It easily fits in our backpack. And compatible with all phones, tablets, GPS devices, cameras, and other USB-supported devices as well. The package included the 4 hooks, allowing us to hook our solar panel to somewhere we like. Trees, backpacks, curtains, etc. And it is built in the fast charging technology, Smart IC, that detects the device plugged into through the USB pin signals, which gives output of full power and a fast charging speed. For example, USB output number 1, maximum 5 volt, 2 ampere. The same on output number 2, in output totally will gain maximum 5 volt, 3 ampere. An actual solar panel output power is 20 volt total. The actual maximum USB output power is 20 volt too. Water resistant is IPX4. The ambient temperature is 70 degrees Celsius to minus 10. Or 158 degrees Fahrenheit to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The weight is 622 grams. These are 21.94 OZ. And 20 watt reverse to the power of the solar panel, which is not equal to the actual output power of the USB port. The power energy power is based on our phones, whenever and connect cable quality, etc. This solar panel charger does not store power. We will need a power bank to store power or connecting to our device directly to charge. The product is compatible with Apple devices. but maybe we should use an original Apple cable. And we should remember that Apple devices has an inner chip that stops the charger of the phone whenever its inner temperature gets too hot. And the device will reset automatically. The solar panel will detect the density of the sun all the time to make sure the device quick and safe charging for our phone. And any cloud cover arrives, it may knock the value of the emitter down. So maybe it's better to place this under solar panels to reset the power controller. But you can see I tested it in a cloudy condition and it works really good. Prevent this kind of situation while charging the phone under the sun. They suggest to use a longer cable and keep the phone in a shadow area, because too much sun is not good for our smartphones. But it's no problem. We can handle this. This is the really awesome ECEEN 20 watts foldable solar panel charger. It's really awesome and so easy. Only get it in position and you can recharge every device you like. Smart solar control, high convenience rate, USB automatically compatible, high transmittance, light and portable, and is waterproof. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.